It is important for us to understand today is the 13th of April in the year 2025. In some other denominations of Christianity, which are non-Pentecostal, non-evangelical in nature, the day is being called Palm Sunday. It is being called Palm Sunday because during the foundation there was an issue of also bringing a little bit of idolatry or deification of certain objects, and therefore every word that appeared gave emphasis to a certain trade, to a certain tradition. You will see that it's not as much as it is about palms more than it is about Christ. And so I like to reintroduce to us the concept of God